Well guys, I don't know what's happening today with my data. I don't have any data, but I did. I had like 1,400 megabytes, a gigabyte, over a giga. Look at the sunset, how beautiful it is. What's up? This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. Yeah. So I'm gonna go look right now for a place where I can get a reload for my cell phone, because apparently I don't have data. I don't know what the problem is. I checked yesterday, I haven't used it, and it's good for 30 days. I still have 20 days left on it, and I had 1,400 megabytes. That's what I'm supposed to have. What can I say? But look at that beautiful sunset. So hopefully we can get the situation remedied. And this is the Hilton right here. The Panama Jack Resorts are here too. Panama Jack Resorts are here. And if we can't get going live, then heck, this video, I'll do a nightlife vlog here and all that. Now I'm gonna go ask, wow, look at that beautiful sunset. I'm gonna go ask where I can get a Telcel reload. Not that I needed one, but I guess now I do. Who would have known? Who would have known all that? And we gotta see where else we can go. Where can we go? And beautiful ladies here at the resort. And we're gonna keep going. Gotta find out where we can go get that reload. Traveling Eddie style. Sometimes with glitches and hitches. Let's see where we can go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Una pregunta. ¿Dónde puedo conseguir yo Telcel para hacer una recarga para el celular? En la esquina. ¿En esta también? Ah, ok, gracias. Let's go. They told me I can go get a reload right here. So let's go see if we can get a reload right over here. So I just received some information that maybe there's a systems failure, that sometimes the signal, sometimes the signal drops around here. So that's why I can't connect live today. These are just part of the plan, part of the program. It happens. So this is the nightlife starting here. At least I'm doing this video, and I'm gonna go and look for a men's room for a second. And everything is starting to kick into gear. And I'm gonna go in here for a moment. So yeah, everything is starting up. You see? Everything's starting to gear up. Well, now I'm here inside the mall, the little mall here, but definitely my Wi-Fi is bad. Now I'm feeling like 50 Cent. Welcome to the candy shop. I give you all I got. Ooh, baby, yeah, the candy shop. And look at the candy shop here. Candy shop, the candy store. Welcome to the candy shop. And the music is blasting. I don't know why, but it is. So you got a Ferrari here. Check out the Ferrari. And we're gonna go check out the nightlife in a moment. So we got a little Ferrari race car there, one of the old ones. And we're gonna go down now and check out the nightlife. Since we couldn't do the live stream, we'll do a pre-recorded vlog. So let's go. Let's look for the stairs to go down. I'm still trying to get this thing to work properly. So, let's go. Let's check this all out. Let's see what it looks like tonight. And my apologies. Just a heads up from now on, a disclaimer, a warning. Sometimes there's no signal here because Telcel goes down, and that's what somebody was telling me. that sometimes the signal goes down in the area. Might be gone for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. I don't know. So I guess that's part of the Mexico experience. So soon enough, I'm gonna have to get another SIM card from another carrier, from Movistar. So I'll have that as a backup, and hopefully that will work. Now Aldo's has some very nice ice cream. Aldo's in this. Nothing here is cheap, but they got some good gelato and everything, and coffee in there, and it's just very nice ice cream I saw the other day. And then you got this kebab, shawarma, gyros, and tacos place. But it's right now it's 7:30. The sun has just set. Go ahead. Hi, how are you? Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain, España. Okay, excellent. I'm a YouTuber. In English. Jalisco. Good, excellent.
Where are you from?
I'm American, Colombian American. But I was born in the U.S. and raised in the U.S.
What is this for?
YouTube. This is Traveling Eddie. So you can.
A chuparla, Eddie.
Excellent. Nice. Qué bueno. Gracias. So you see, people are happy. Wow, that's nice. I'm feeling the good vibes right there. They were just so cool about it, and also it's very nice. And look, we got Woody and Woody Woodpecker, and we got Traveling Eddie. We got Freddy Krueger, not Traveling Eddie, but Freddy Krueger. Look at that. And he wants to give him a big ass hug. He gave Woody a big hug, but nobody wants to give Freddy a big hug. I guess they're just too scared of Freddy. Hey Freddy, how you doing, Freddy? Sorry, how are you? So yeah, gotta watch where I'm going. I almost knocked somebody out there. And look, we got Ganesha here. Lord Ganesha, Jai Ganesh in India. Om Ganapataye, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So the nightlife is just starting. Everything is just starting to kick off. I mean, the sun is just set, still got some daylight going. And I really wanted to do the live stream, but hey, these things are out of one's hands. But now I learned my lesson. I gotta see when I can get another SIM card from another company, Movistar, because the big three companies in Mexico for mobile data are Telcel, Movistar, and AT&T. So today we have had the experience that it was not working. It's not working right now. It was working yesterday, but today I haven't gone out of the house. And what do they have here? What is that? Oh, they got some tigers or whatever. So, what is that? Live animals? Okay, those are live animals, and people have to pay to go in?
No picture allowed, no video allowed. If you want to be present, no.
I'm here in public. I'm not in your private property. Sorry, I'm just making a video.
You want a picture?
So, I mean, if I was inside, that's a different story. No, paparazzi. But this is a public space. Esto es espacio público, amigo. It's public space too, brother. Some people are getting stupid about things. If they didn't allow anything, the police would be cracking down on everybody right now. And why am I going to even fight with the guy? He's being an idiot about it. And I'm not afraid to say he was being an idiot. And he's like the other day, the other guy trying to charge me money because I was filming him and his monkey. I was just walking and they were in the way. And let me show you my face. I'm like, whatever, you know. The guy's like, oh, you gotta pay, you can't do it. I'm like, I'm in public space, I'm walking here, I'm just filming. So, big deal. I mean, if it was really illegal, the police would be hitting all of us big time.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling, and nothing got it feel like a sleep. want to be with you, call my name, love. Ooh, somebody else, and that is you. Ooh, falling in with you. Not the only one doing me. You already feel it there. Give me a little more dark in the spotlight. Do I wanna know something? You look into my eyes and fell love in me. Then nothing got a dream like a same night. Hey, come on closer now, waiting for you. But the door is slowly, oh yeah. The moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with you, Twilight, my only, my bestie. To my love, let me if you want tonight. 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 Ooh, I think it's slowing down now. Oh, more give me a hug, more want to talk. A dream like a moment, fantasy. Baby, I think about you now. Yeah, the moonlight's around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with you, Twilight, my only, my bestie. You fell into my love. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight. Let me if you want tonight, tonight. Let me
Okay,
if
that's
you
it
want
for
tonight.
part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 because it's a long video and it gets even better. And if you liked it, give it a like. Later.